Me myself, I'm Syed Ehtesham, and I'm working as a principal consultant for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. I've been working in the industry for the implementation for the past 5 6 years. I'm engaged with multiple implementations, right from the discoveries to the implementation and post go life. So today we will be exploring the agenda for today will be to explore the Business Central capabilities and opportunities we get from Business Central. So let's begin with the first question about the Business Central usually is how how mature the product is. So let's have a look at the history of the Microsoft. So Microsoft started developing the ERP system back in around 2000 and 2001, and since then, Microsoft developed multiple ERP systems, which range from GP, which was the starting one, and then Navision and Microsoft FNO. They developed a couple of systems, and then Microsoft started thinking about how to consolidate or reduce their some redundancy so that they can increase their programming efficiencies. So what happened in 2018 is they took two of the ERP solutions, which is Nav and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. They took on the cloud as a SaaS service, which is software as a service, while the platform is being managed by Microsoft Azure. So most of us running our businesses and the Azure platform using the Active Directories or the mailbox there. So now Microsoft uh, uh, converted the ERP solutions into the SaaS systems, where they took the ERP platform to the cloud environment. And then from 2018, the whole concept of the ERP solution changed by going into the cloud environment. You don't have to have a server room in your premises. You don't have to manage. You don't have to have an admin system administrator to run an ERP solutions in your business. So that's what's changed actually the horizon of ERP in the organization. And so one of the product that Microsoft Business Central is developed around 2019, and then it got more flexible in 2020, and now the Business Central is one of the leading ERP solutions offered by Microsoft, which has taken over the Navision and finance and operations too. So first and foremost, if we look at our business and we think about uh, the first question that arises is why do we need an ERP solution in our business? Maybe we are using a small ERP solution. Maybe we are even not using the ERP solutions yet. So we need to think about why we need an ERP solutions. There's some key points that you need to ask when you think about why you need an ERP solution in your business. So one of the first point is how you're working, how you're operating your business solutions. Are you working in a siloed systems? Your each of the departments, your finance, your operations, your sales department are working in a siloed system. They have their own individual system. Finances using some kind of financial accounting system on their own. Sales is working some kind of a CRM solution on their own, and the procurement and the purchasing team is using some kind of an ERP solution on their own. So all those departments, all those your business verticals are using their own siloed systems, and they don't talk to each other. They don't communicate to each other. They have their own processes. The processes are not aligned with each other. So now your business data is messed up. They are not talking to each other. They are not aligned with each other. Your data is continuously growing up, and uh, we do have all of us have the business plans, the growth plans. We do have the growth projections of our business, but uh, sometimes we forget to ask, okay, so we have the capability to achieve that projection, the growth projection and the growth targets that we are setting up, but our accounting, our business operation systems is that capable enough to meet that growth or not? So we need to think about that, that our business system is capable enough to meet our growth projections. W- the pace that we are growing, our business operating solution can grow with the same pace or not. So that's a very important question. Can we go with a siloed system? Can we grow with a siloed system? When the data grows, can we survive with the siloed systems? Can we achieve that business growth with the siloed systems or not? Our data are not talking to each other. Our data is not aligned with each other. Can we grow into that? No. So again, when we are operating in isolations, each departments are working on their own. Some of them are managing the Excel, some of them are managing the spreadsheets, managing their own accounting systems. They are duplicating the data. They are having a manual duplication of the data. There are a lot of garbage data generating into those systems that not necessary. That's not required. So but still they are generating the data, they are manually inputting the data, managing the data manually, and they're consuming the organizational resources, they are consuming the organizational capabilities to maintain that data. So all those duplication of the data is coming in, and you can be more efficient about data, but you can't because you don't have an ERP solution. So that's one of the points that you need to consider. Why do we need an ERP solution? And then the manual processes. Of course, when there is no system in place, when you don't have any solution, business operating solution in place in your organization, you are doing the manual processes. For example, that you are sending the manual approvals. So you send in the documents or approvals over the emails. You are sending your suppliers and your customers sending the documents manually by attaching it on the email. Then you are you are preparing, for example, that you have to prepare for the sales quotation. You are preparing it manually. um, and then you are managing your finances manually. You are managing your business cash manually. You are managing that. Okay, so you are managing your working capital manually. You don't know what you are going to receive and uh, what you are going to pay. So all those manual processes have their hindrances and have their bottlenecks that you can't overcome without having a system. And of course, if I go to the fourth question, which is insufficient reporting. So we need to think about that. Okay, so we have a growth plan. We are growing at a very fast pace, but do we have a reporting for that? The growth is uh, a good plan to have, but do we have a report? Do we have a sufficient reporting that we can? How we will measure that growth? How we'll go with that pace and have a check and balance that we can see? Okay, so we have that. We are we going in the right path or not? Are we aligned with our growth plans or not? How we are performing? So all those questions should be answered by the good reporting pack, by an efficient reporting and a timely reporting. Are you taking days to report your sales? Are you taking days to report your financials? That's what the question that you need to ask. That okay, so do can I grow with that? It takes me 5 days to prepare my monthly financials. Can I grow with that? No. So this is something that very important for the management to decide how good we are performing and how on track we are on our growth plans. And the last one is about the security, of course. When you are having multiple systems, multiple small systems running around the organization, and some of them are manual and some of them are duplicate data, insufficient data, and siloed system, they don't talk to each other. You have the security issues. You don't know, you can't have your system audit. You can't have your audit trails, which data is coming from where, who is responsible for the data, who generated that data, who processed the data, who approved that data. So all those security issues, who can access, even who can access the system, who can access the data, what kind of data is visible to me, what kind of data should be visible to the sales team. That's not a control that you can manage without a complete solution that connect your business all together, where you can which can give you a trail of each of your individual data. That okay, so if I pick an invoice, I can trail it back to the lead, how it generated the lead, how the lead converted, it converted in opportunity, who interacted with the customer, and who coded it to the customer, who sent the sales code, and what activities happened during sales conversion, and then how it converted into my sales order, and then what shipment happened, and then how it invoiced. So it gives you a complete, you need a complete trail to have a full security, how your processes are going, are your processes are following the exact checks that you put in place, is someone overstepping those checks. uh, and if it's a manual process, of course there's a high chance that people are overstepping the process checks that you have maintained. The people are overstepping the procedure, the rules and policies that you have maintained for your business. So these are all the checkpoints that you need to ask that do you need an ERP solution when you are having all these problems? And if you feel that, okay, so I do have these problems in my organization, I do have these problems in my organization to grow what I have projected for my organization for the growth. So then you are definitely assured that you need an ERP solution, you need a business solution to to organize your business perfectly. So moving on, for the business central, so the business central actually is for the small and medium enterprises, in a very it has an efficient capabilities to um, run with the small and medium enterprise. And if you talk about multiple industries, I can name from the food processing industries to the manufacturing industries, services industries, and multiple other industries, contracting industries, manufacturing, the construction industries that I have worked upon to implement a business central. So there's a lot of industries I can go through that are currently, even the e-commerce industries. I have worked upon to implement business central, and they're using the business central to grow their organization, and they're working efficiently with their plans, growth plans, with the help of the business central. So it's any kind of an industry. So you can start on with the business central if you're involved into many industries. So then connecting your business together is helping all of your business processes into one single platform. So once the all of your processes in one single platform, you can go from 0 to 100 in one single platform. So you can keep a full trail, you can look at the complete processes within a single system. All of your departments are working on a single platform, all of your teams are working on a single platform, all of your data is generating in a single platform, and it gives you flexibility. Okay, so now everything is in a single platform, all every data is in a single platform. Then you can start making your smarter decision, then you can start gauging your performance, you can uh, you can set up what KPIs do I need to achieve and how I am achieving those KPIs. So all those smart decisions you will be able to make when you are having a data into a single platform, and all of the processes in a single platform. And then coming to when you have all those visibility, when you have all those data in a single platform, you have all those visibility, then you think about to start growing easily. So you have that visibility, you can make a smart decisions, you can make flexible decisions as per your data, as per your reports, dashboards. Then you can grow easily. The business central is very scalable in terms of growth, uh, in terms of database. So you can start with having 3 licenses at a time, and having a basic data tier for your organization, and then you're going to start growing on to the advanced data tier when your business grows, and you start having more licenses when your business grows. So the business central uh, infrastructure grows with your business. So as you grow, you grow your business central capabilities. So that's a very key aspect of the business central, that the flexibility of growth as per your business growth. And then we'll look down further into connecting your business. So if I talk about the multiple operations into the for an organization, so the financial management with the core backbone of of an organization, sales and service management, supply chain, reporting, management, operations management, your warehousing, your inventory management, your operations, your fulfillment, everything, and then project management, which includes also the service module. So Business Central have all those modular platforms connected together. All those modular platforms has their own processes, and all those processes are aligned with the other modular processes. So that's why it gives you a kind of a synchronization of data, and it gives you a synchronization of everything happening. Anything happening from sales and service management goes into your supply chain management, goes into your operations, goes into your financial and reporting. So all those processes are aligned with each other, and all those individual modular platforms have their own uh, processes, documentations, uh, their standard processes. So basically, if we look at upgrades that happens from Microsoft for Business Central. Microsoft gives two updates yearly for Business Central. That is some of the products that Microsoft gives two updates yearly, two major upgrades yearly, one in March and one in September. And if you look at the progress during from the March upgrade to September upgrade, it's a huge progress. Uh, they are continuously having a very high level of research and development on the business processes, and they're upgrading the Business Central processes as per the standard industry processes. What's best for the industry? What gives you the optimum output level from your growth? So this is a very powerful uh, way that you can adapt to the industry optimum processes. And then if we look at now we have our working culture being changed, how we work and how we operate the business is being changed. So now we multiple people operate in multiple ways in our organization. So Business Central is flexible about that. It has a desktop application where you can have it on a laptop or your desktop system. It has a browser connectivity, so it's compatible with all of your browsers, Safari, Chrome, or Edge, or Mozilla. So everything is so it's compatible with every browsers. And also it has a mobile app, so you can run your business on the go. So it gives you convenience. You can connect wherever you are and however you are operating. So it gives the complete flexibility as well. And then talking about the flexibility, if we look at the Business Central, so it has multiple integrations since it's a part of the Microsoft, huge Microsoft platform family. So in the Microsoft tech stack, so it's always integrated with every tech stack that Microsoft offers. It can integrate with your Outlook, it can integrate with your Teams, it can integrate with your um, SharePoint, it can integrate with your Office 365. So everything can get connected together with Business Central, even if it can integrate with outside the Microsoft family platforms. It can integrate with Google platforms as well. So it gives you a complete flexibility. You can have your sales quotations right into your Outlook platform, so you can see your sales quotation from your Outlook email. So this is a complete flexibility and a high level of integration. The rich integration that Business Central offers makes it very convenient to use. It makes it very easily adaptable systems. Whether you are on the Microsoft platform or you are on an external platform, on a Google platform, you can always link together Business Central with any other platforms. It's a quick and easy integration. It doesn't require any developer efforts. So it's a quick and easy integrations. You don't need a developer to integrate your system with Outlook. You don't need your developer to integrate your Gmail account with Business Central. So it's just a configurable system that you can configure and go ahead. And then coming to the automated and secure business process. So we talked about the audit trails. We talked about the security levels. Microsoft, all those Microsoft security parameters are applied on the Business Central. You can have your defender with the business central. It gives you complete network administration. It gives you complete the network audit that you can have from your cloud environment standpoint. So you can have everything secured, and you can see that security. You can manage your security on your own. You can manage your defender dashboard. You can manage your securities. You can manage your user accesses, manage your user uh, trails. So everything is manageable. You control your security, and Microsoft helps you control it. Microsoft gives you a default security that is very secure cloud environment where you can have your data securely, and it allows you to manage your security as well. It allows you to see your security levels, to see your security threats, to see your audit trails, to see your users logs. So everything is maintained by Microsoft. Coming to making the smarter decisions. So uh, Having a data in a single platform is a very key thing when you go to your reporting pack. So when you have data in your multiple platforms and that data is not aligned with each other, you come up with the data reconciliation issues. We always one of the key issue we have in our finance is our data don't match with the other departments data. When we are having a multiple systems, the sales data doesn't match with the finance data doesn't match with the purchase data. So and then the reconciliation begins, because you cannot have a single unified report because you don't have a data in a single platform. Your data is not communicated to each other, and you are having a scattered data that's not the sales team is generating its own report, the finance is generating its own report, the purchase is generating its own report, and every report the numbers are different. That gives you a complicated situation. How you gonna make a decision when you have three numbers in front of you? So this is very important for the business decision making that Business Central gives you. And every team, every vertical is working on the Business Central, and it gives you a unified report. That unified report is the sales number for the sales people, the sales number is same for the finance people, the sales number is same for the management. So everything is a unified number. No one can have its own number, maintain its own data, maintain its own record. So everything is on a single platform. The management can pull out the reports easily from a single platform. And then we have multiple opportunities that Microsoft Dynamics gives. It's a completely customizable dashboard. When you log into your Business Central, first screen that you get is a complete customizable dashboard where you can customize it with your own needs, with your own requirements, what you want to see. So you can define the charts, you can define the tables, you can define the quick tiles. You can see over here in the Microsoft Dynamics screen. So you have the quick tiles. You can see your code spending, your order spending, or whatever your needs or requirements on the go is. You can have the quick overview of your complete business in a single dashboard straight away when you log in into your Business Central uh, system. So that's a very customizable and smarter view. You can create your own smart view, what you want to see. You can add your own tiles, you can add your own graphs, you can add your own tables, and also it's compatible with Microsoft Power BI. So you don't have to redirect to Power BI if you want to build a custom dashboards. You can build a dashboard in Power BI and you can embed it right into your Business Central, so you don't have to switch to your Power BI platforms to look at the dashboards for your sales or for your businesses. So you can get all the information. You can embed the Power BI dashboards within the Business Central. So Business Central gives you the complete information. Your Business Central, you have the Business Central charts as well, and you have the customized dashboards from Power BI within the Business Central as well. So this gives you a better opportunity to make your business decisions more wisely. Uh, and again, it gives also it gives you business intelligence. It gives you, for example, it gives you safety stock. It gives you material replenishment planning. It gives you the MRPs. It gives you the sales planning. It gives you the material planning, what material requirement would be for the next quarter, what sales is expected for the next quarter. It gives you sales budget, purchase budget, your GL budgets, your expense budgets. It's giving you budgeting, complete the budgeting module as well, and it gives you the forecasting module as well. You can do your material planning for the next quarter. You can do your expenses planning for the next quarter. It has the business intelligence attached to it. It gives you a notification when you are going out of stock, when you are going to have a replenishment, what's your lead time, what your safety stock is. So everything you can maintain within the business central, so that you can, your employees, your departments can make a better decision. The purchase department can make a better decision based on the information it has. And then it start growing easily when you have I talked about the dashboards. Everything is customizable, everything is uh, quick and easy, so you can easily drag and drop situations. So you can drag and drop, and you can easily customize your dashboards. And then if you having a different industry, so Microsoft, you have a Microsoft marketplace platform, so you have multiple business solutions that is available in the form of ISVs, independent service vendors. So they provide you a plug and play solutions. You don't have to go to the developer to make a customization in the business central. The business central is completely open for customizations. It gives you an opportunity, you can customize it, but also the marketplace offers you a very good opportunity to not spend your money to do on the customizations. It gives you, if you want any solution, you can directly get it from the marketplace. You can get it for the $100, you get the solution and you plug and play. So this is a very good uh, opportunity for you to not having a customized solution and go with the standard. Anything, any business case that you have that is not covered, that you cannot fulfill with the standard process in business central, you can go to the marketplace and you can have an add-on and just plug and play your add-ons. So with everything, trusted apps and everything available from the marketplace store, you can go and start easily using the business central. You can take the apps. So this is a quick chart. We are having a quick time check. So I'm just going through it quickly. So we have all those finance functions, sales function, right from the lead generation to the sales conversion and to the invoicing and the payment part. So everything is there. Project management is there. Supply chain, you control your inventory, you control your warehouse, you can structure your warehouse as per your needs and everything. So uh, then operations management, we talked about production planning, manufacturing capacity, forecasting. So everything is there. You can have it within the system. And then quickly moving to the costing part. So how much it costs for a business central. So business central allows you to have three types of licenses as per your user needs. So the first one is a team member license, where user can only see, approve, and look at the dashboards and reports. That's in a high level. For C levels, you can have for only for $8. They don't need to post any entries into the system, they don't need to process any documents. They just need for the information and approvals. So they can have an $8 license. And then we have an essential license, which gives you everything, all the modular platforms, all the modular processes you can have within the essential license, for $70. And then for the premium ones, if you're a manufacturing concern or you're a service management service industry, then it gives you, you have to take the premium license. For the people who are involved in the manufacturing and the service module of the business, you need to have a premium license for them, which is for $100. So this is quite a flexible costing structure from Microsoft. And yep, that was it from my side. So now we are open for questions. We have only a few minutes left, I think. So we can take the questions now.